So what's the main thing in your real estate business? I think it was Stephen Covey who said the main thing is to keep the main thing the main thing. A lot of distractions out there. Focus is for winners. Multitasking, that's for losers. So what's the main thing? Well, the main thing is the funnel. Where does all your business come from? It's from prospecting. It's perhaps from cold calling. It's from door knocking. It's from holding open houses. It's from calling for sale by owners. It's from calling expireds. It's from calling your sphere, asking for referrals. So if Fearless Agent Coaching can make you a rock star at all those things, then that's the main thing until you're great at that. After you're great at that, what's the main thing? It's giving high quality presentations to buyers, sellers, and investors. So we teach you a killer listing presentation, a pricing presentation, a for sale by owner presentation, a buyer presentation, an investor presentation. Then you're never in a money-making opportunity where you don't have the exact right words to say in every money-making situation. Then what's the main thing? Then it's the systems to put that all together, the schedule to make sure everything gets done every day. If you're earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, you're open to the idea of having some help with that, we can help you. Go to fearlessagent.com, call me anytime. I've got nothing better to do than to make you rich, and we'll make you a fearless agent. Thanks.